Welcome to 30 Days of Practical AI. If you are ready to future-proof your world and level up your practical knowledge of AI tools, well, you are in the right spot, and I'm going to take you on a kick-ass journey over the next 30 days. We are going to give you specific, practical, and real examples of using AI to future-proof your life, learn some super fun skills, and get back massive amounts of time in your day. If you're watching this video because you saw one of the future episodes in the series, I just want to say welcome back. You made the right choice to start right here at the beginning because this is where we lay the foundations for your success throughout this series. We are going to give you exposure to what's possible with AI today. And here's the thing about creating any kind of video or course about AI, it might be obsolete and out of date tomorrow, but it's still going to give you a rock solid foundation. It's going to also give you the choice and the freedom to improve your work and your life in ways that matter to you, to basically be future-proof and valuable, and to launch ahead of your peers and the people in your community who are not going to make it because they need to be using AI. AI is not coming for your job, but a person who knows AI absolutely is. I want to make you that person. I want you to come for your own job by being that much more awesome. And great news, this stuff is not hard to learn. But if you don't know what you don't know, knowing where to start can feel really impossible. I'm going to take you from wherever you are right now. Maybe that's, I don't even know how to spell AI, to AI awesome. That's the whole point, okay? This is going to help you survive the AI revolution, to thrive within it, and see massive personal upward mobility in your field. You're going to be more awesome at the thing you're already awesome at. And if we haven't met, my name is Kamo. I'm a former U.S. Marine officer. I'm a retired tech executive. I'm a super nerd. And now I spend all my time helping people get future-proof, learn more about AI, sales, leadership, you name it. My goal is to help 1 million people get the skills they need to be wildly successful in this AI revolution. And you might be asking yourself, Kamo, why are you giving all this away for free, dog? It's because I see this tsunami coming. I see how AI is coming for every aspect of our worlds, of our personal lives, of our work, you name it. And I want the best of us to abso-fucking-lutely thrive in this disruption. So this series, the prompts, these are all free. No strings attached. If you want access to this whole series, this whole documentation, all the prompts and everything, there's a link below. Take it, run with it, go kick ass with it, all right? But if you watch these videos and you think to yourself, hot damn, this stuff is pretty powerful and I want to go deeper, well, I've also got you covered there. Beyond these free tutorials, I run an exclusive community where we do regular live AI trainings. I have a 12-hour deep dive course that we run through, and members get access to all the previous training that I've ever done, my personal frameworks and examples months before they hit YouTube, hands-on workshops where we build advanced AI systems together, and direct access to me for troubleshooting your very specific challenges. And unlike most online groups with, thousands or millions of members or whatever they're getting at these days, we keep the number small. I intentionally keep it small, and that means I can personally connect with every single person, tailor my guidance for their AI journey, okay? The links to this community, the live training events, self-paced courses and everything, those are all below. Spots open up rarely, so if you're serious about mastering this stuff, don't wait, jump on board. So let's talk about how each of these 30 days is going to be structured. This is designed for you to do the work and play around each day. I want you to get hands-on, okay? Sure, you can binge watch the whole series, but the more you do and the more you touch and the more you play, the better you're going to be. That's how you will learn best and retain this knowledge, okay? In each episode, the first thing you're going to see is the final output. I'm going to show you the payoff because I want you to know that this video is something you actually care about and something that matters to you. And if it's not, no worries, skip to the next one. I respect your time. I do not want to waste it. That is not what this video series is about. And hey, it's YouTube. No one's going to know if you skip to the next video. So go for it. Find the thing that matters to you and that's going to help you out. Then we break down each solution and we get into understanding how each of these things is structured and why it matters. And we do that in a very specific way. First, we think before we prompt. And I cannot stress this enough, okay? We want to ask ourselves, what would a human need to accomplish this task? If you always follow this process of asking, what would a person need, you're going to make really good AI solutions. And once you have a clear understanding of what a human would need, we think about what are the logical steps that are necessary to accomplish that goal, and we build a prompt that gives that AI tool or the large language model, whatever you're using, the best possible chance of giving us back what we want and the solutions that we're looking for. And look, we might upload documents or PDFs or whatever to the tool. That's called using RAG, or retrieval augmented generation. We're not getting super nerdy in this session. And we add that to our prompt. And when it comes to prompting, which is just the specific instructions we give to the AI tool, we're going to use a very consistent and effective format. And it looks just like this, okay? This is my personal format that I have used and developed over the last 2.5 years of interacting with AI every single day. I call it the KMO prompt framework. I'm sure there's a lot that are similar to this, but it's got a great acronym that works to keep it in your brain. RGCOA, all right? Role, goal, context, output, and then ask AI to help you. If you follow this format, and trust me, you're gonna get a ton of exposure to this over the next 30 days. I can guarantee that you're gonna get a 95th percentile quality answer from any AI tool. This prompting method works, and it's gonna save you a ton of heartache and time. Remember, with any prompt, garbage in is gonna get you garbage out, but a high quality prompt is gonna give you a high quality response. Now, when you watch these videos, you might say, KMO, this is a lot of work that you're doing just to like send an email or whatever. And yeah, you're right. The first time as I'm walking you through this, it's going to take more time. I don't want you thinking about the walkthrough. I want you thinking about the 10th time you need to do this, maybe the 10th time in a day. Because yes, it might take us 10 minutes to build the solution, but it takes you a second to run it the second time. And that, my friends, is the value of AI for each of us. It's in gaining our time back so that we can focus on higher level tasks. And then each video is going to end with ways that you can take this solution to the next level, all right, to make it more customized, more advanced, more useful to you. And a lot of times, look, these level ups are going to be, specific ways that I can have you grow in the next video of the series, right? It might be like, hey, we're going to cover this 4 episodes from now. We're going to cover this 4 days from now. Whatever it's going to be, it's designed to grow your knowledge along this journey. It starts easy, it ends much more advanced. I'm also going to give you ideas for future automation, maybe using a custom GPT from ChatGPT, an Anthropic project, a Google Gem, and there's hundreds of other ways that you can automate with third-party tools. So look, my goal with all these level up options is just to plant a seed that you can explore on your own. Maybe you're a part of our community, whatever. And look, if you're still watching this video at this point, that means that you probably give a shit about this. You want to get better. It means you might just be one of those people that joins this future-proof social club. Stick this through to the end, and I guarantee you're going to be in a better spot with AI, and you're going to have a lot of fun along the way. Now, let's talk logistics for a quick second, okay? I want you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a day of this AI training. One will come out every day. And if you're watching this a year into the future, cool, it's already out. Go binge. Thank you for taking this step. This knowledge has completely and utterly changed my life for the better, and I know that it will change yours too. I'll see you tomorrow for day 1.